So welcome to the part 5 of our Blackjack in Java tutorial series. So in this tutorial, we will code the player class. So it can be used for both the player and dealer. Each player has a name and a hand which store the card they are holding. The name property stores the player name. This makes it easy to identify whose turn it is. The hand property is an array list that holds the card dealt to the specific player. Using an array list allows us to dynamically add or remove the cards from the hand. And some of the methods that will be in this class are add card. This method will add a card to player's hand when it is uh, when it's used while dealing the cards to the player. And we will also create a method called print hand. This method will print all the cards in the player hand. It's useful for showing the current state of the player's hand. And last method would be the calculate total method. This method calculates the total value of cards in the player's hand. It also handles the special case of ace, uh, adjusting their value, whether it's 11 or 1, if the total exceeds 21. So let's start it. We will create a new class, new Java class, player. So private string name, and then private a array list of the type card, and let's name this array list hand. Now we will generate a new constructor. So you already know how to generate a constructor. It's right click, then go to generate, then constructor, and we'll select both these properties and both these fields, sorry, and then click OK. So the constructor is generated. Now we will make a method called add card. So this would be something like public void, because it does not return anything, print hand SOUT. So SOUT is the shortcut for system.out.println. If you click SOUT then tab, it prints system.out.println. So we'll go name plus semicolons and then has these cards, and then we will create a for each loop which will print all the cards that the player has. Card card on our hand, and then again SOUT and card. So this method is done. Now we will also create a method called uh, add card. So public void add card. So public void add card of the type card, and let's name it card. And then we will just use hand dot add, and we'll use the card. That will be the parameter for this method. So two of these methods are done. Now let's create the calculate total method. So public int, because it will return an integer value, calc calculate total int total equals 0, int ace equal to 0. So int ace will be a specific int which will count the number of aces on hand. So we will again create a for each loop. So for each card, card, and then on hand, then total plus equal to card dot. So we will have to get the rank, get rank dot, and we will have to get the value of it. So get rank dot get value. So this is done, semicolon at the end. And now we will create a specific if statement. So if card dot get rank equals rank of ace, then it will go ace ace plus plus. So it will increment the value of number of aces here, and then for each. Okay. Now we will also do a while loop. So while ace is more than 1, so greater than 0, and total is greater than 21, total plus equal to 10. No, total minus equal to 10. Yeah. And for that, we will return total. And here, I'm sorry about this problem, guys. So here we will change the value of ace from 1 to 11. Now this should work seamlessly. So this was the player class, and this was this video. I will see you guys in the future with the next part of this blackjack game. So stay tuned and see you soon, and thank you so much for watching it till the end. Bye bye.